Well, UB has taken the lead now in tracing the roots of the Ebola virus. The new discovery could possibly help fight the disease that has claimed tens of thousands of lives. News 4's Rich Newberg got quite a history lesson today. Rich?
Jackie, I was amazed to learn the history of what animals first carried the viruses that are now posing such a challenge to civilization. The UB discovery is getting world attention.
Could you grab me a daylight glue, please? There should be a spare one in there.
A documentary crew shooting for a British production company is about to find out how Ebola's family history is being rewritten. The history goes back to ancient times, says UB's Dr. Jeremy Bruenn.
Goes back somewhere between 15 and 23 million years.
That's the kind of discovery that makes international news. But what animals evolved, having the viruses in their genes from so long ago?
And what we can see is that some rodents, like hamsters and voles, have an insert.
The evolution of the Ebola viruses and how they present themselves in the animal's genetic structure is important because it could possibly provide a big picture in the development of a vaccine that would cover a lot of ground.
So it gives you some hints as to how to develop vaccines that might have a broad spectrum.
If we can look at some of these ancient sequences, we might be able to identify stretches that don't change in the virus and then design antiviral approaches that attack those stretches of sequence.
The first Ebola outbreak in humans occurred in 1976. Researchers believe it may have come from certain animals stemming from the ancient food chain, animals still eaten in parts of West Africa. The food is called bushmeat.
Eating things like rodents and bats, things that are infected with Ebola virus and Marburg virus.
And this happens in villages. They eat these animals.
Correct.
Well, Dr. Taylor says the more we can know about the evolution of the viruses, the more we can learn about who the players might be in the system. Reporting live, Rich Newberg, News 4 at 5:30.